Hello, Mr. Raspies. Gosh, the colors in those blue jays. Here. Look at the colors in them. When they come up, start looking at the colors of them. They're incredible. I don't know, maybe because I'm giving them all the minerals that they need. I don't know, but that's some brilliant blue and some beautiful powder blue in areas. Come on, guys, give us a close-up. Look at how brilliant the colors on these guys are. I mean, I know blue jays are bright to begin with, but for real, these guys are very brilliant. They feel the heat coming out of the window, just like we feel the heat coming in. And you want to hear something? See something? It's too cold to sit in front of the window. So I didn't get to make the bed yet. He's sitting on the satin pillow where it's warm. You could feel the cold, obviously, coming in from here. But I just had to get a view with Raspy in there. That's hilarious. Come on. These guys are so smart and funny, both Smudgy and Raspy. Come here, Rat Smudges. Smudge, come here. Hi, baby girl. She's coming in behind me. Hi, Smudges. Yeah. Look, your window's open. Go look at the birdies and the squirrel. Yeah. No? At least she's in now and she feels the air. She knows the window's open. I know you do. Come on, baby girl. I don't want to take it off the window because then we won't see everything. Ooh. Ooh, we got two blue jays and a squirrel all at once. I know. Go look. Yeah. Yeah. You better go up there and look at the birdies, baby girl. Oh. Getting some good blue jay action. Huh, Raspy? Come here, baby girl. Yeah. I'm petting her with... She's standing behind the chair. So I have to, like, lean over to the side and back just to pet her. Come here, little goofball. Silly cats. Here. Did you hear the crunching? I hope you kept this picked up. That was awesome. Here's Raspy. Hi, Smudges. Come on, Smudges. Really, Mudgy? Oh. Raspy's still watching. wrist is getting tired. It's a messed up wrist in this cold. This bitter cold is killing it. It's not as bitter cold, though. I definitely have to get stuff done today. I was hurting so badly, I just couldn't get shit done. I don't know if you heard that or not, but my stomach just growled really loud. If you heard that, sorry. I can't control that. I'm sorry. Shaking the camera and laughing. Look how beautiful that blues are. And that's not even bright sun they're in. I'm just very impressed with how beautifully blue, bright they are. Look at that. I mean, you can see several blue colors. They're so bright. Woo! Good leap, little one. Good leap, squirrel. Oh, here come the doves. They must have taken enough of the peanuts. As you see, it's not just like one or two that just keep coming and taking all the peanuts. I mean, I've seen 4 and 5 and 6 here at the same time. So, I've never seen that many, like, blue jays at the same time around a feeding thing. So that's kind of cool. I really hope I get cardinals. There's one that comes, but I really hope I get cardinals this year. It's so much easier to see them, too, in the winter when there's, you don't see all the leaves and such on the trees and bushes and such. You see him burying it out there? You see him right by the bottom of the slide? Yeah, yeah. That substrate, ever since they put that substrate in, it's, I think, the second year. It's really easy during the spring and summer to hide those peanuts and fall in that. And then when it's all snowy or even just bitter cold, if I happen to be out of peanuts or something, he goes and finds some that he hid. And some he doesn't find. And peanut plants come up. Hilarious. I mean, this is Jersey. This ain't the South, man. The South is where peanuts, I think, are mostly grown. There are southern states, and Jersey is absolutely not a southern state. But because of the squirrels and Judy feeding them, we got peanut plants coming up in our playgrounds. I've only taken part of my pain meds, so I really need to get to do that. So I will see if we get any more activity a little later. Peace out, all.